my god, I fucking swear I'm crazy. Oh my god, lower the volume. This is too creepy. Too creepy 5V. Fucking shit. Oh. Oh man, this is not good for me. This is not good for my health. Fuck. Okay. Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Valencia here, and I don't know why I'm doing this, but oh man, I'm playing White Noise by myself, and it is 1 a.m. right now. This is the dumbest thing I've ever fucking done. Just to make it even more dumb, I'm gonna make it the difficulty into a nightmare. This is probably not gonna last long. But yeah, the lights are off. It's 1. I did not want to do this at fucking 3 a.m. That would be the worst thing to do. I need to go to bed and I need to record. So here goes nothing. Oh, I still need to pick a character. God dang it. You ruined my cool intro. After being involved in a terrible accident that would have leave him invisible for a lifetime, the Invisible Man tries to use his power to do good. That is the weirdest story I've ever heard. No, not I need... Oh, screw it. Let's be the invisible guy. My god, that silence is just terrible. God damn, this is the stupidest thing I've ever done. Oh my god, the ambience in here is just right, so like you're fucked in the ass if you're doing this alone. Oh my god, this is terrible. Okay. Okay, I forgot to mention that I'm doing this map because I've always wanted to beat it. This is the first map I ever did. And yeah, there's reasoning behind that. Jesus, man, I'm so scared right now. This invisible man doesn't run too fast. This isn't a good thing. I hate that painting. I don't like looking at paintings when I'm by myself. Same painting. Screw that. Oh, okay. These guys are gonna kill me for taking this recording, which I can't hear. Is it not here? Are you serial? There's always a recording here. But why is there not a recording? That is dumb. Okay, moving on with our lives. That was just a waste of time. Oh shit. What the fuck was that? Are you coffee, bro? Drink some water, son, man. Don't scare me like that. Bye. Don't want to look back. I don't know why I did that. This way. Not that way. Let's go this way. Okay. Okay. I wanted to put on music, like calming music, but that just make it easier for me. And I want it to be as genuine as possible and as legit. Oh god. Giant heads, man. Ooh, shit. Recording, okay. Oh. 1 out of 8. Here we go. Here we freaking go. Okay, I always like hearing those recordings. Oh man, I hate it. Every time you get a recording, it's just... the music just gets fucking terrible. See, the thing about doing this solo now is like, you guys will be able to hear when I get jump scared. Like the audio's not gonna get cut off. But it's worse for me, better for you. That kind of situation. I hope you guys appreciate me doing this. This is legitimately scary. Fuck me, man. Oh. I hear something. What are you doing getting online at this time, man? Unless you live in Europe, then you're fine. But it's 1 o'clock in the fucking morning. You crazy, man. Ukraine. Ukraine. That's in Europe. If you live in Ukraine, then Ukraine. Ukraine. Oh. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No, no, no. Stop following me, bro. Bro. Run faster, you stupid hoe. You fucking bitch is right behind us. No. No, don't look back. Don't look back. Don't look back. He's probably right there. Stop coughing, you little bitch. Run faster. Oh my god, you are the worst character fucking alive. You are a pussy. Are these tombstones or are these like art? What's that? That is a tombstone. I am not looking at that. What the hell are these? That looks really weird. That looks really weird. I don't hear no static, so it's probably not in here. Yeah. I am like hunched up. I'm like in a ball. Oh, dildo. Don't look at the dildo. Oh. Okay, bro. We good, bro. Ah! No, I can't go that way. No, I'm gonna get stuck. No. Go through there, bitch. Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? That's a dead end. Don't look back. Just don't look back. I know sometimes he just pulls you and then he makes you look at his face. Like, I don't want to look at your face, bro. Ah, this is terrible. I probably should not have put it on Nightmare. Okay. We good. I just broke the #1 law of not looking back, but... Hello? No, you're not giving me a choice. Where do I fucking go? How do you expect me to find this shit? No. Okay, I won't go over there. I'm sorry. Okay, you're just one stubborn motherfucker. Okay, I'm going this way. Okay. Don't worry. God. I hate this fucker. Wait, wasn't this a dead end? What the hell? I am legitimately confused right now. I am confused and scared. That is not a good combination. That is not somewhere you want to be in life. If you are confused and scared, change what you're doing with your life right now. Some wise advice for me. Don't do what I'm doing. Fuck. I hate you. You look weird. You look scary. I'm not gonna look at you. Ah! Oh, shit. Oh, no. Go, hurry up, man. I should have picked someone who actually ran fast. Oh, shit. No. God, I've only found one of these shits. If I'm gonna finish this, it's gonna take fucking an hour. It's gonna take a fucking hour. Oh my god, I'm getting chills so hard. Whoa, what the fuck? What was that?
Either your flesh or your blood, but your soul.
Okay, this isn't too hard. Just take a deep breath and you got this. You got this, bro. Okay. Like, how does he even see me? Am I not invisible? Like, This is some bullshit. I was lied to. Clearly, I am not invisible because he can still see me. He can still fuck me in the ass. You can't fuck somebody in the ass that's invisible. You just can't fuck someone's invisible ass. That doesn't work. So what I'm trying to say is that this game's logic is irrelevant, and they should I don't know what they should do. They should just yeah, they should change it so where you can't see me. That's what they should do. Why is there so many dildos? And why are they? Oh, they're Shrek dildos. What the fuck? I have never seen this place in my life. This is just scary.
I wish I could help you happy. Despite myself.
You just say you wanted to be happy or something? I have no idea. Oh my god, more dildos. These guys love dildos. You guys like dildos? Probably do. That room is just a dildo room, so I'm not gonna go there. Ah, no, 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 man, I was on a roll, Oh man, I'm sorry for insulting your dildos. Fuck me. Fuck me. He's gone. That actually worked. Please stop growling in my face, because I'm gonna piss myself. Oh, damn. I swear to God, I should have gone to the bathroom before this. Oh, fuck, man. Fuck, man. Fuck, 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 fuck. I am not gonna be able to sleep tonight. I lost my train of thought. I had a good plan going, but now I don't. Dude, I feel like he's right behind me. No, no, no. Oh, I can feel him in my neck. I'm getting chills. This isn't good for your health. Oh my god, the music is just terrible. Oh shit, man. Oh man. No, I am never doing this again. I'm scared. Fuck. I've had chills. What was that? Go! God. You don't want to die, do you? Fuck. Nothing there. Hello? Anybody home? There was nothing in here, right? Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. Ah, no, 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 I'm not going that way. No, no, thank you. I'll go this way. I'll go this way. Yeah, I like this way better. I like this way better. A lot better. Okay. No recording in here, I guess. No, hey bro. Nice hiding spot. I wasn't playing hide and seek though, so yeah. Okay, bro. See you next summer. Is that a... Oh, okay. It's a poorly designed room. Well, this is a really weird room. It's like huge. This room is fucking huge. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Did he just unzip my pants so he can rape me? This isn't cool. This isn't cool. No. What are these things doing in here? I swear to God, I keep hearing things that I don't want to hear. Yes, that's one of them. That is one thing. Oh God, no, no. potato! What are you? What do you just do? I've seen like 3 of these. Just randomly placed. Oh shit, man. I never mentioned that I'm halfway there. Oh my baby Jesus, if I beat this game. Oh, well I'm back here. Okay, I'm just doing loop-de-loops. I'm lost. Long story short, I'm fucked in here. Stop fucking breathing on my neck, I swear to God. Are these the weirdest? Oh no. There was no recording in here. What the fuck is that, dude? No, stop. No, please, please. I'm not doing anything to you. No, 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 no. No. Is there a way over here? Thank you. I am GT the fuck out of here. Oh man. I haven't found a recording in a while. Oh bro, stop, 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 stop. I know you'd like to play hide and seek, but I don't. Alright? Just gotta understand. Some people don't like it. Should be a recording here, maybe? So many options. Yet, I don't know. I was trying to be deep, but that didn't work. Not work at all. God damn it. I need to keep talking. It lowers the sound of the fucking creepy ass music. No, okay, I won't go there. I won't go there. Oh, what the hell? You just teleported. That's not possible. Okay. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Sorry. Nothing here. I found your pots. Is this where you smoke weed? With your pots? I'm sorry, I should not have made that joke, bro. I'm sorry. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Please. Bro, Seth. No? Where the fuck are the rest of the recordings? How big is this goddamn museum? That is my question. I swear I've been here before, so I'll go this way. Because I heard that motherfucker over there. And that's just the dead end. This fucking museum is just... Oh my god. I've been here like 10,000 times. This is ridiculous. Oh my god. Fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Just gonna name the title of this video, Fuck Me. Because this is just the dumbest thing I've ever fucking done. Like, who does this to themselves? Nobody. Just my stupid self. My ridiculous, retarded ass self. I knew there was a... I don't know what he said. Is that okay? So that one was hidden. I didn't hear anything. I'm thinking there was actually one in the statues. I just need to look for it, but I'm not really sure. Ah! Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, bro. I'll go back to the statues if you want. I'll go over there. No? Ah! No! 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 He told me no. He said no. Okay. Okay. Okay, bro. Oh. Okay. It's over. It's over. No. I was close. I swear, this is gonna be like a circle half the time. Found one. Got scared. I screamed my ass off right there. So did right there too. There too. Yep. Oh my god, this is just full of scares, man. I explored like most of it. I hit a dead end here for like forever. Yep, just circling back, not doing anything. Look at that, I'm so dumb. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that solo episode of White Noise. If you guys want me to do more, comment down below. And yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.